The venue for the third test match between India and England is indeed very special. Yes, it's going to be a day-night test match. It's going to be a pink ball test match, the second pink ball test on Indian soil. But the most interesting part is, or the most special part is, that it is going to be played at the world's biggest cricket stadium. The Motera Stadium, or the Sardar Patel Stadium, has become, after its renovation, the world's largest cricketing venue, the biggest cricket stadium in the world.
घंटों रिसर्च कर बढ़िया प्लेयर्स चुन के बेस्ट टीम बनाई थी तुमने, पर टीम फिर भी हार गई तुम्हारी। क्या कभी ऐसा लगा है कि रियल प्लेयर्स के साथ भी खेल रहे हो या नहीं? हाउसर पे आओ, हाउसर पे आप ही की तरह है सिर्फ और सिर्फ असली फैंस, guaranteed. Visit houseit.com and make your team now.
It has beaten MCG, the iconic Melbourne cricket ground, in terms of the seating capacity. The Motera Stadium has a seating capacity of 110,000. However, for this test match, the third and the fourth test match, both of them are going to be hosted at the Motera Stadium. Only 50% of the crowds will be allowed for these two test matches, given the corona conditions and the various rules and regulations and the permissions, of course, where the governments and the various authorities are also involved. But the most interesting part is that this is the biggest cricketing stadium and has the state-of-the-art facilities for the players. It has 11 center pitches. The total area of the stadium is 63 acres, and it has 3 entry points. Now, unlike other venues, Motera has 4 dressing rooms for players. The dressing rooms are spacious with state-of-the-art facilities for the players. The gyms at Motera Stadium have also the state-of-the-art facilities, and the stadium also has an Olympic-sized swimming pool. Now, given the fact that this is going to be a day-night test match, the lights will be coming into play, and the interesting part is that floodlights won't be used in this stadium, but it is the LED lights. The circumference of the entire roof has a ring of LED lights, something what we saw in Dubai. The stadium in Dubai has that whole ring of LED lights on its roof. Something like that we are going to see at the Motera Stadium as well. The stadium has 76 corporate boxes with a seating capacity of 25 each. The rest and recovery room at the Motera offers players adequate amount of showers and also ice bath facilities. The Sardar Patel Stadium had hosted Prime Minister Modi and former US President Donald Trump in 2020 for the Namaste Trump show. Talking about the last time competitive cricket was played in this stadium, it was during the Syed Mushtaq Ali T20 tournament, that is a domestic tournament played in India. But this will be the third test match between India and England, will be the first ever international match being held in this renovated Motera Stadium. All eyes, of course, will be on batsmen. It's going to be a challenge for batsmen like Rishabh Pant, the big hitters, how big they can go with the ball, how big hits, what kind of big hits they can really manage here, because the boundaries are going to be long and it's a huge stadium. Of course, the site will be enthralling. The colossal size of this stadium will, of course, be a spectacle to watch, and of course, we are all waiting for this day-night test match to kickstart from Wednesday. And of course, I have to see how the batsmen and the bowlers fare at this newly made stadium. Also, interesting part is that there are 11 center pitches in this stadium. What we are learning is that there could be a mix of black and red soil as far as the pitches are concerned, but we'll of course have to wait and watch for the how the pitch plays out on the first day itself. But nevertheless, this is an extremely special test match, as it is going to be the first ever test match, the first ever international match at the world's biggest cricket stadium.